Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. If you've been researching All-On-4 or All-On-6 dental implants, you might have come across the term immediate All-On-4 dental implants or immediate All-On-6 dental implants, possibly even teeth in a day, or you've heard about the possibilities of one-day implants. Sometimes this can sound too good to be true, right? Well, it's real. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how the immediate All-On-4 dental procedure works, who's it for, and how we can make it happen just in one day here at Smile Now using modern technology and fully in-house workflows. So, what are immediate All-On-4 dental implants? Let's start with the basics. The All-On-4 dental implant procedure replaces a full mouth of missing or failing teeth using just 4 to 6 dental implants per arch, so 8 to 12 implants in total. What makes the immediate part special is that we place a full set of temporary fixed teeth on the very same day as your surgery. This means you can walk in needing new teeth and walk out with a brand new smile in as little as one day. There's no waiting for months for dentures. There's not multiple surgeries or drawn out timelines. There's immediate results, both cosmetically and functionally. These same day teeth are strong enough to eat soft food, look fantastic, and give you back your confidence from day one. How do we actually do this in a single day? The first step is through consultation and digital planning. So it starts with a free consultation at the Smile Now dental clinics, where we take 3D scans, digital scanning impressions, and assess the bone health in your mouth. Using these scans, we digitally plan every detail of your surgery before it even happens. The next step is a surgical procedure. On the day of your surgery, we extract any failing teeth, we'll place 4 to 6 dental implants using computer-guided precision and ensure the implants are stable enough to support your new teeth right away. We then do same-day temporary teeth, and we'll attach a custom fixed temporary prosthetic while you're under sedation. These teeth are fabricated in our in-house lab, which means they're ready on the day of your procedure, not days, not weeks later. You leave our office with a complete functioning smile the same day. Next is the healing period. Over the next few months, your implants are going to heal and integrate into your jawbone through a process called osseointegration. Once this is complete, we'll replace the temporary teeth with your permanent prosthetic made of the highest quality zirconia. And note that not all zirconia is made the same. We use one of the top dental labs in the United States. So why can Smile Now offer this immediate type of prosthetic? Not every dental office is able to offer one-day prosthetics on implants. And here's why we can. It's because we have an in-house lab where we use digital dentistry to design and fabricate your temporary teeth and your final prosthetics here at Smile Now. There's no outsourcing, no delays. We use modern technology from 3D imaging across computer-guided surgery to use advanced tools that allow for safe, precise, and efficient treatments. We use general sedation using an anesthesiologist or a CRNA who is going to monitor you during the surgery and ensure your vitals and you're healthy during that sedation procedure. Our office offers full service care. So after you get your implants placed, we will then do the cleaning procedure following the treatment. We're not doing referrals, you're not bouncing between providers. You will meet your clinician at the time of the consultation if they're available, and then you'll use that clinician throughout the entirety of your procedure. So who is a candidate for same-day dental implants? Most people are surprised to learn that they can qualify for same-day dental implants even if they've been missing teeth for a large period of time. You might be a candidate if you have multiple failing or missing teeth, if you want a permanent alternative to dentures, and we will check to make sure you have that sufficient bone to support the implants. Lastly, we want to make sure that you're generally in good health to support the implants and make sure everything heals properly. Even if you've been told that you have bone loss or you can't get implants, we would really recommend that you come in for a second opinion, because we're able to help patients every single day that have been told that they don't have enough bone for dental implants. If you're ready to take the next step and you want to know if immediate All-On-4 or All-On-6 dental implants are right for you, please give our offices a call. You can click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation, and we'll walk you through your options, pricing, and create a customized plan for you in our dental office. Again, please reach out to our offices if you have any questions about this. Reach out to me individually if there's any other things you want me to cover in these videos, and I hope these are helpful for you. Thank you so much.